Tired of slow, labor-intensive box assembly? Meet the game changer for your packaging line. Welcome to Kylin Machinery. Today, we are proud to showcase our advanced, semi-auto collapsible box machine. Specially designed for premium folding boxes, magnetic boxes, and luxury packaging. It delivers unmatched precision and speed. Watch how smoothly it operates, with a highly user-friendly interface and quick-size changeovers. This machine significantly reduces your labor costs while instantly boosting your daily production output. It is the perfect solution for small to medium custom runs. Ready to upgrade your packaging business and stay ahead of the competition?